Hello and welcome back to Daddy Fever. 5 vitamin C shots recipe to boost immunity at home. Number 1. Citrus ginger shot. 1 orange, 1 lemon, juiced. Ginger, honey, cayenne pepper. Blend, strain and serve. Number 2. Turmeric orange shot. 1 orange, 1/2 lemon, juiced. Turmeric, black pepper, honey. Mix and drink. Number 3. Pineapple lemon shot. Pineapple chunks, lemon juice. Apple cider vinegar. Blend, strain and enjoy. Number 4. Kiwi spinach shot. Kiwi, spinach. Lemon juice, spirulina, optional. Blend and strain. Number 5. Grapefruit mint shot. Grapefruit, lemon, juiced. And honey. Muddle, stir, and serve chilled.